Okay, so page number 49, exercise 2.5, question number 4, sixth part. 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 the whole square. So we'll be using identity a plus b plus c the whole square, that is equal to, or I'll be using in x y, it will be better, x plus y plus z the whole square. जब भी क्वेश्चन अगर एबीसी में दिया है तो आइडेंटिटी एक्स वाई जेड वाली यूज कर लेना चाहिए, दैट विल बी बेटर, सो यू विल नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. Okay, now when we compare this identity with the question, we get that x is a by 4, y is minus b by 2 and z is 1. So it is
Yes, ma'am.
a by 4 the whole square plus minus b by 2 the whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into a by 4 into minus b by 2 plus 2 into minus b by 2 into 1 plus 2 into z is 1 and x is a by 4. Okay. So that is equal to a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 plus 2 and 2 cancel. So it is minus ab by 4, 2 and 2 again cancel, it is minus b, and here 2 and 4, so it is a by 2. This is the answer. Okay, copy this.
Ma'am, how it will come minus b?
First part, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, सो एक्चुअली अब इसमें क्या करना है कि ये हमको एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ आइडेंटिटी दी है और हमको इसको फैक्टराइज करना है. वी हैव टू राइट इट एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ समथिंग. सो व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व, दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म, दिस इज वाई स्क्वायर, दिस इज जेड स्क्वायर, 2xy 2yz 2zx. Okay, so first of all what we'll do is we'll write that what we can write as square of something, like 4x square we can write square of 2x, 9y square we can write
3y
square of 3y, and then
4.
4z. Okay, but here one thing is there, here in two terms there is negative sign here and here. Okay, that means z, actually some term should be, some one or more term can be negative. So as z is common in both, so we can guess that maybe z is negative. So if we put minus here, तो minus 4z square तो 16z square ही होता है. Okay, so we'll write this as minus 4z square plus 2, a is 2x, y is 3y plus 2, 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into 2x into minus 4z. We'll check this also, like 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12xy, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and minus sign, so minus 24yz, minus 24yz, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, so it is minus 16xz, minus 16xz. Okay,
Yes.
so it is of form a square, or we can just write this by knowing that identity only, 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. Okay, and here you can write by identity a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, This is the answer. This either you can write as square or you can write it 2 times. This. So here again we'll observe ये same identity है. By the seeing the question we can think of that identity only. Okay. Now this is a square of what? 2x square is square of what?
And 2 only.
No. It is square of root 2x the whole square. ठीक है? Y is square of y only. 8 is actually 8 को अगर हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं तो ये आता है ऐसा. तो स्क्वायर रूट 8 होता है 2 रूट 2. तो दैट मीन्स 2 रूट 2 स्क्वायर इज 8. मतलब हमको क्या सोचना है कि ये किस चीज का स्क्वायर है, ये किस चीज का स्क्वायर है. तो हमने क्या किया, इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकाला और इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल दिया. मतलब इसके स्क्वायर रूट का ये स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 रूट 2 z the whole square. Now here also some signs are different. Here there is a minus sign, here also there is a minus sign. So which term should be negative? What do you think? Unmute. मानो unmute and say.
X and Z.
नहीं, यहाँ पे भी z, यहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव है. दोनों में कॉमन तो खाली x है.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे अगर माइनस साइन लगा देते हैं तो भी इससे इस टर्म को तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड विल राइट दिस वे प्लस 2a एंड b प्लस 2b into c plus 2c into a. Okay, we'll check it also. 2 into root 2 is minus 2 root 2 xy minus 2 root 2 xy. 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2 yz. This is 4 root 2 yz. 2 2s are 4. 4 root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 4 2s are 8. So it is minus 8xz minus 8xz. So now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, we can write this as minus of root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 the whole square. Okay, or this can be written as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2. This is the answer. And here you can write using identity a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we'll put this identity x plus y the whole cube, or you can write this identity in a and b. It will be better. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a is what here? A is 2x and b is 1. So its expanded form will be 2x plus 1 the whole cube will be a is 2x, b is 1, 2x into 1 and 2x plus 1. So 2x the whole cube will be 8x cube plus 1, 3 2s are 6x into 2x plus 1. So it is 8x cube plus 1, 6 2s are 12x square plus 6x. This
Ma'am,
is the
plus 6x.
answer. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the answer. 2a minus 3b the whole cube. So we'll put this identity x minus y the whole cube. It is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Let here x equals to 2a and y equals to 3b. So 2a minus 3b the whole cube will be 2a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b. 2a the whole cube will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8a cube. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 b cube minus 9 2s are 18ab into 2a minus 3b. So 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36a square b minus minus plus 18 3s are 54ab
Ma'am,
square.
54.
Okay, this is the answer. It is a plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is equal to a cube plus b. Okay, we don't have to expand this now. Here when we'll compare this with question, a is 3 by 2x, b is 1. So 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube, that will be equal to 3 by 2 x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3 by 2 x into 1 into 3 by 2 x plus 1. 3 cube is 27 x cube and 2 cube is 8 plus 1 and 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2 x plus 1, that is equal to 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by 2 x. This is the answer. So it is
Yes.
a minus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. A
Yes,
is x and b is 2 by 3y. So x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube will be equal to x cube minus 2 by 3y the whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3y into x minus 2 by 3y. So it will be x cube. 2 cube is 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, y cube, 3 and 3 cancel, minus 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. So it is x cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. This is the answer. So using 100 minus 1. Yes, using identity we have to do. So first of all, we'll write it as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Then putting a minus b the whole cube identity. So a minus b cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. Here a is 100 and b is 1. So 100 minus 1 the whole cube will be equal to 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 bracket 100 minus 1. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros minus 300 into 99. Okay. So it is
yes.
1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 and 99 into 3. So 9 3s are 27, 2, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, double 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 29701. 29701. So it is 99279. Okay. So let us check.
Ma'am, 29700.
No, it will be 970299. This is correct answer. Yes, what is your doubt, Yashvi?